Good afternoon. Today on Thoughts on Education, we have with us Miss Anita Chandran, who is the principal of Institute of Hotel Management, Sri Shakti. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Before moving forward, let's get to know more about Miss Anita Chandran's experience in the industry. Ma'am, if you can enlighten the viewers about your experience in the industry.
Yeah. I have a good 10 years of foundation in the hotel industry, wherein I had the opportunity to start a hotel under the project stage. And after that, 25 years since I have moved into the field of hospitality education. Here, once again, I had the opportunity to set up two premier institutes in Pune and lead them as principal and director. For the last 9 years, I am here with IHM Sri Shakti as principal.
That is great, ma'am. I'm sure all the viewers would have a lot to learn from this interview. Coming to the interview, ma'am, my first question is, you have held key position at different education institutes throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that have kept you connected with the education sector?
It is very satisfying to see that we have it within us to enhance and change lives. We see the transformation of our students and we see their success, and that is what is the main factor that I think everybody in education aims for, and it's a great sense of satisfaction and achievement.
So my next question is, being the head of Institute of Hotel Management Sri Shakti, what is your philosophy of leadership?
Bringing out the best in others and setting the pace for achieving high standards would be considered as my philosophy of leadership.
That is great, ma'am. My next question is, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in Institute of Hotel Management, Sri Shakti?
You are right. The whole education structure abroad and in India is vastly different. Though a little bit of hand holding is done in Indian countries or in our Indian education system, I think it works extremely well till the undergraduate level. And because of our large institute and curriculum and our tie-up with National Council, I think students have a lot to gain from studying over here.
Ma'am, my next question is, how does the curriculum of Institute of Hotel Management Sri Shakti ensures the best practices of the industry?
The curriculum doesn't change with the pace of the industry. Hence, we go much beyond what the curriculum is structured, and we ensure that a lot of workshops, interactive trainings of the students and faculties with eminent members from the industry is undertaken to ensure that our students are not left out and are up to date with the latest industry trends.
That is great, ma'am. I'm sure the updated curriculum and your philosophy of going beyond the curriculum to teach the best practices will help the students a lot. My next question is, what do you think your roles and responsibilities are towards the institute and the students?
Towards the students, I would say my responsibility is to sow the seed and to help nurture it in its initial stages. We definitely, as a professor, as a teacher, as a guru, we would like to see our students go way beyond whatever we have achieved in life. And it's that little seed that is sown in the institute and the encouragement that is the major responsibility, because there is such a vast subject, very difficult to complete it in a 3-year program. Towards the management, yes, we have to ensure that we run the institute in the most economical way and ensure that we set high standards and continue to keep the flag flying high.
Ma'am, my next question is, what do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
Our priority will be to continue keeping the lead that we have in hospitality education, set the benchmark for others to follow, to attract the best talent in terms of faculties and also students. And definitely in the next 10 years, I would be looking at some expansion plans in other cities.
That is great to hear, ma'am. My next question is, what would you like the people to know about your institute that they might not know?
The institute takes pride that for the past 3 years, we have been conducting a unique event called Jobathon, under which we are having more than 50 companies which come for recruitment, and we invite students on a pan-India basis. This gives an opportunity for students from all over to come and seek their career opportunities in Hyderabad, and also hotels are coming from other cities also, so that this gives a golden opportunity for students from Hyderabad to try their luck in other cities. A never before activity done by other colleges. More than 1,200 children benefit from this every year.
That is great, ma'am. I'm sure this vision will help a lot of students in the hotel management industry.
I consider it as our CSR.
Ma'am, my next question is, what do you see as Institute of Hotel Management Sri Shakti's greatest strengths?
Our strengths are numerous, but I would like to say that my team of dedicated faculties is one of our major strengths, which helps us in maintaining the high standards. And I also must mention the management's ethic of responsible education.
Thank you, ma'am. My next question is, what according to you are some of the biggest challenges you see for Institute of Hotel Management Sri Shakti?
Challenges, I would say, are unfortunately students who are misguided and misinformed and get led away by false advertising.
Thank you, ma'am. Coming to the last question for the interview, any advice that you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
I would definitely like them to remember that behind every overnight success is 20 to 25 years of hard work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure all the students and the parents viewing this video would have a lot to learn from you and will also get an insight about Institute of Hotel Management Sri Shakti.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.